We are going to study about diborane, preparation properties, structure and uses of diborane. First one, preparation. As discussed earlier, diborane can be prepared by the action of metal hydride with boron. This method is used for the industrial production of diborane. Diborane can also be obtained in small quantities by the reduction of iodine with sodium borohydride in diglyme. The equation is 2NaBH4 plus I2 gives B2H6 plus 2NaI plus H2. Another one method, on heating magnesium borate with HCl, a mixture of volatile boranes are obtained. The equations are 2Mg3B2 magnesium boride plus 12HCl gives 6MgCl2 plus B4H10 plus H2. The second step equation is B4H10 plus H2 gives 2B2H6. The final product diborane is obtained. Properties. Boranes are colorless diamagnetic compounds with low thermal stability. Diborane is a gas at room temperature with sweet smell and it is extremely toxic. It is also highly reactive. At high temperatures, it forms higher boranes, liberating hydrogen. The equations are 5B2H6 in U-shaped tube 388 Kelvin gives 2B5H11 plus 4H2. Another equation, formation of tetraborane 2B2H6 gives 198 to 373 Kelvin B4H10 plus H2. Another equation to forming decaborane 5B2H6 gives sealed tube 373 Kelvin P10H14 plus 8H2. Another one equation for bentaborane 9 5B2H6 gives 473 to 523 Kelvin 2B5H9 plus 6H2. Another equation or another disproportionation of diborane to forming pentaborane 9 and pentaborane 10 with a liberation of hydrogen is 10 B2H6 gives 523 Kelvin gives 2 B5H9 plus 2 B5H10 plus 11 times H2. Then B2H6 red hot, the extreme heating gives 2B plus 3H2. Diborane is disproportionate into boron and hydrogen. Diboranes react with water and alkali to give boric acid and metaborate respectively. First one equation gives information about diborane reacts with water gives boric acid. Second equation gives information about diborane reacts with aqueous alkali gives sodium metaborate. The equations are B2H6 plus 6H2O gives 2H3BO3 plus 6H2. Then B2H6 plus 2NaOH plus 2H2O gives 2NaBO2 plus 6H2. Action of air. At room temperature, pure diborane does not react with air or oxygen, but in impure form, it gives B2O3 along with a large amount of heat. It is exothermic reaction, heat liberating reaction. B2H6 plus 3O2 gives P2O3 plus 3H2O. Delta H value is equal to minus 2165 kilojoule per mole. Diborane reacts with methyl alcohol to give trimethyl borate. The equation is P2H6 plus 6CH3OH gives 2BOCH3 3 times plus 6H2. Then hydroboration. Diborane adds on to alkenes and alkynes. These are the unsaturated hydrocarbons in ether solvent at room temperature. This reaction is called hydroboration, and it is highly used in synthetic organic chemistry, especially for anti-Markovnikov addition. B2H6 plus 6 RCH double bond CHR gives 2 RCH2 single bond CHR 3 times B. Reaction with ionic hydrides. When treated with metal hydrides, it forms metal borohydrate. Metal hydride means ionic hydride. B2H6 plus 2 LiH lithium hydride gives in ether solution 2 LiBH4. B2H6 plus 2 NaH sodium hydride in diclime solution gives 2 NaBH4. First one is lithium borohydrate, second one is sodium borohydrate. Reaction with ammonia. When treated with excess ammonia at low temperature, diborane gives diborane diammoniate. On heating at a higher temperature, it gives borosol. First it forms addition compound, then it is converted into borosol under heating to high temperature. When treated with excess ammonia at low temperature, diborane gives diammoniate. On heating at higher temperature, it gives borosol. 3B2H6 plus 6NH3 gives minus 153 Kelvin. 3B2H6 dot 2NH3 or 3 times BH2 NH3 2 times plus BH4 minus 3B2H6 plus 2NH3 high temperature closed vessel gives borosine or borosol, that is inorganic benzene. This is the structure. NH, BH, NH, BH, NH, BH. It is just similar to benzene ring but having heteroatoms, nitrogen and boron. Here the resonance structure N plus H, B minus H, N plus H, B minus H, double bond N H, N plus H, single bond B minus H. That is borosol or borosine, that is inorganic benzene. The condensed formula is P3N3H6. Structure of diborane. In diborane, 2 BH2 units are linked by 2 bridged hydrogens. Therefore, it has 8 BH bonds. However, diborane has only 12 valence electrons and are not sufficient to form normal covalent bonds. The 4 terminal BH bonds are normal covalent bonds. That is, 2 center 2 electron bond or 2C2E bond, that is 2 center 2 electron bond. The remaining 4 electrons have to be used for the bridged bonds, that is 2 3-centered PHP bonds utilize 2 electrons each. Hence these bonds are 3-center 2 electron bonds, that is 3C2E bond. The bridging hydrogen atoms are in a plane as shown in figure 2.3. When all the other BH bonds are above or below the plane. In diborane, the boron is sp3 hybridized. 3 of the 4 sp2 hybridized orbitals contains single electrons and the fourth orbital is empty. 2 of the half-filled hybridized orbitals of each boron overlap with the 1s orbitals of 2 hydrogen to form 4 terminal 2C2E bonds, leaving one empty and one half-filled hybridized orbitals on each boron. The 3 center 2 electron bonds, that is BHP bond formation, involves overlapping the half-filled hybridized orbitals of one boron and empty hybridized orbital of other boron and the half-filled 1s orbital of hydrogen. Uses of diborane. First use is diborane is used as a high energy fuel for propellant. It is used as a reducing agent in organic chemistry. It is used in welding torches. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.